everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my CVS Haul. Sorry, I'm in my basement. It is freezing cold out here, so if you guys see me wrapped up in a blanket, it's because I'm cold. Our basement doesn't have heat that hits down here, so my husband had to open up a vent to kind of get some warmth in here. And then we have some pipes out here that are like not covered, so it's like freezing down here in the basement. Plus, it doesn't help when it's only 1 degree outside. We are coming tonight. We're supposed to be getting up to 12 inches of snow. It depends. They said 6 to 12 inches of snow. We already got about 8 or 9 outside right now. And then they said a vortex is coming soon, which I'm not really sure what a vortex is, but it's going to be like a big, very, very cold day. They're probably going to be closing the schools down. I don't even want to go outside because our cars won't even probably start. So a lot of people right now are probably just going grocery shopping and getting stuff because they will be trapped inside for a couple days because it's so cold. But they said the wind chill could get up to like -55. So that is cold. It is cold. I don't remember it ever being this cold in a very long time. I think the last time I remember I was pregnant with Ben. So we got that going on. But again, I also have some exciting news. As you guys are watching this, I will be heading to Milwaukee today on Sunday. I'm going to a concert, so I'm pretty excited to do that. So I'm hoping to be back home after the concert before the storm really hits. So Milwaukee's about an hour from me, so not that far away. But I'm here to stop talking, and I'm here to share with you guys my CVS haul. I do have a cold. My son is extremely sick right now. He's got pink eye. And then he's got a cold, so I got his cold, and it doesn't help when it's freezing outside, so I got that. And then I have a Luden's cough drop in my mouth because I keep coughing while I'm doing my videos, so this helps me with that. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. Now, I had some stuff that I wanted to get, and then my store didn't have them marked, and funny thing is I was looking at the wrong ad, so there was that mistake, so you guys will have to stay tuned for that mistake. But anyways, I got soft soap. I have a lot of soft soap coupons, so I wanted to use those up. But the soft soap body wash. Now, one thing I like about the soft soap body wash at CVS is they have more of a variety to choose from. The ones at Walgreens, there's only 4 different kinds you can get. CVS, there's like 8 or 9. So that's what I like. But soft soap, this is my favorite smell. I love this smell. This is Citrus Splash and Berry Fusion. It smells like a drink I used to drink. Oh, the memories of when I used to drink. But these are 2 for $7. Now, we have those 75% off coupons that we got from last week. Sorry, I'm just really stuffed up. You guys want to use 4 of those 75% off coupons. You guys also want to use CRT if you have it for 2 off 8 body wash. I get that coupon, or I get that CRT all the time. So you guys would pay $9 for the 4 of these, which could be a pretty decent deal, but that's not cheap enough for us. That's not cheap enough for us. You guys would also, when you bought every 2, you get $3. So that comes back to be $6 that you would get in an ECB, which is extra care bucks. So you guys want to use that. So the final price for all 4 of them would be $3 or just 75 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. Usually I always say you should pay less than $1 for body wash. So, and a lot of people like this stuff. I like it. I don't have a problem with it. It works. It's good. It's good. It's good. So wanted to share with you that. Now, guys, please keep in mind I do carry 2 cards, and I want to start getting some of my stockpile up again because I have some stuff that I want to start donating. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to do that deal again. So I did it with another card. So I did that with 2 different cards, that deal, and my store still had tons. I did not clear off the shelf. I don't like clearing off the shelf, but my store still had a ton, so I wanted to do that. I did the Colgate toothpaste deal. Now, this coupon was available last week, and when I did my coupons video, I told you guys need to print that right away. Because that coupon is a hot coupon, it will not last a long time. So, Colgate toothpaste. These are $3.59. They also have some for $3.99, but I got the $3.59 ones. I use that 5 off of 3 coupon that we got from coupons.com that is no longer available. I also had $1 off of 3 CRT for Colgate toothpaste. You guys would pay $4.77 for this, but then you guys would get a $5 extra care buck for spending $10. You guys would get this for a 23-cent moneymaker. So all these are free and you made some money. So that's what I absolutely love. And I actually like Colgate toothpaste. I'm not a picky person when it comes to toothpaste, so I was excited to do that deal. And I just did that with 1 card. Now I ended up doing the Dove deal. Now I combined the Dove Dermacare and the regular Dove deal because it kind of works out a better deal for this. So what I ended up getting is the regular Dove is 2 for $8, and the Dove Dermacare, which is kind of like for head, it's kind of like very similar to Head and Shoulders, is 2 for $10. So you guys use the Dove Dermacare, that's 2 for $10, and the Dove the Dove shampoo and conditioner is 2 for $8. I had a 3 off of 10 Dove shampoo CRT, and then I also had a 3 off of 2 Dove shampoo, but it was exclude the Dermacare. So there's that. We got use both of those. You guys want to use $2 off coupons for the Dermacare, and then a 3 off of 2 for the Dove shampoo and conditioner. You guys would just pay $5, but with the Dove Dermacare, you guys get $2 when you spend, or when you buy 2 of them. And you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. I got points for Fetch Rewards because this is a Unilever. So anything with that Unilever symbol is for Fetch Rewards. You guys get extra points. If you guys haven't joined Fetch Rewards, click the referral link below. You guys can get points right away if you use my referral link. You get 2,000 points, and right now they're having a 3,000 point deal to the end of the month. And you guys can start redeeming gift cards as little as 3,000 points, which is $3. And you can also get a CVS gift card if you guys are interested in something like that. But that's how I save for Christmas. But then your guys' final total for all 4 of them would be $3 or just 75 cents a piece. So that's a pretty good deal for shampoo and conditioner. This is stuff that I rarely ever get. I very rarely ever have the Dove in my stockpile. So we did that. With my other, sorry, I got my stuff from both hauls on here. With my with one of my cards, I ended up getting the Glycerna. Oh, what is this? For diabetics. Yeah. My mom doesn't like these, but she should eat these. But these were $5.69. It was buy 2 get $5 back. So $5.69. You guys want to use two $3 off coupons that we got in our inserts from a couple weeks ago. You guys would pay $5.38 for the both boxes, but then you guys will get $5 back, making it just 38 cents. I'm having problems today. Just 38 cents. Sorry, my tailbone hurts so badly. It hurts to get up from a chair, so I pretty much rather just sit than do anything. But yeah, 38 cents I think is a pretty good deal. And then I ended up getting, sorry, I'm all over the place today, but I ended up getting the Hershey, like I said, I'm just dropping stuff. Got the Hershey Gold. Now these were $1.25. They have a sale right now for $1.25. You buy one, you get the second one for $0.25. Now we do have those 75 cents off of 2 coupons that were on coupons.com. You guys would just pay 75 cents for both of these. They come out to be just 36 cents a piece, which can be an awesome deal if you guys are interested. And then I did CVS Maybelline. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm not thinking straight. Maybelline. The mascara was $6.49. The eyeliners were $5.99. I actually really like this eyeliner. I've used this eyeliner several times. I used a $3 off coupon for the mascara and then a $1 off coupon for the eyeliner. I also had a 2 off of 12 cosmetic CRT that I used. I paid $6.48 for this, but then you guys will get $5 back in an ECB, making it just $1.48 or 74 cents. I thought, why not? I really like eyeliner, I really like mascara, so I had to do that deal. But yeah, that was my haul. I didn't get very much. I wanted to get a little bit more, but I just this week just seems a little bit slower, so I'm hoping next week is a good week. With my I did 2 different transactions with one card and my other card. The new card, I paid $3.86 out of pocket. I used $17 of ECBs, but I received $16 back, making it $4.86, which is a pretty good deal. My other card, I paid 52 cents. I used $19, but I received $13 back, making it $6.52. If you combine both of them, it technically came out to $11.38. That's 21 items at 54 cents. But you know what? I think all that stuff for under 10 bucks, I think is a pretty good deal. Even if you guys did the 10-buck challenge, that is a pretty good deal. But yes, that was my CVS haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope to see you guys later for another haul. And you guys have a nice day. Bye-bye.